Hi guys, it's Disney Miss Preslie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing and a review of some products from Magic Candle Company. Magic Candle Company is a shop where you can purchase fragrances that smell like Disney parks, rides, snacks, hotels, and more. I went online and I purchased 4 fragrance oils and 1 candle. On their website, which I will link down below, you can purchase 1 fragrance oil, a pack of 4, a pack of 10, an 8-ounce candle, a 20-ounce candle, wax melts, air fresheners, electric warmers, bath products, subscription boxes, and more. They have over 50 fragrances to choose from. I haven't even opened the box yet, and I'm so excited, so let's just get started. So here it is. It came in a FedEx box. I'm just gonna open it up. When I open it up, there is some brown packaging. Magic Candle Company. Thank you. We hope you enjoy your purchase and we cannot wait to serve you again soon. And this is for promo code OFF, and it says we bring the vacation magic to you. It's really pretty. Alright. Everything's wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, the first thing, this is the candle that I ordered. Just when you open the box, you can smell it, everything. Okay, so here's the first scent. I just took it out of the box. It's wrapped in bubble wrap. It is my Tiki Terrace candle, saying, bring the vacation to you. That's the outside. It says, harken back to a time spent in your tropical hideaway with our Tiki Terrace fragrance. This scent features a combination of sparkling lemon, toasted coconut, orchard petals with tiny hints of green leaves, blended with white cedar and vanilla musk. Okay. So, when you open it up, they have woodwick candles. It is a very vibrant orange. It smells like when you're waiting outside to get in to the tiki room. I love it. It smells so good. It smells just like the description too, so if you're looking online and you think, does this smell like what the description really says? It does. So this one is good, really good. Next, my 4 fragrances were all packaged together. Double bubble. The Polynesian smell. So this is going to smell like the Polynesian. It smells like the Polynesian lobby when you first walk in. It smells coconutty. It's super good. Wow, I'm really impressed by that one. The next scent is Flying Over Fiji. When you're on Soarin' Around the World, you go over the beach and the people are like rowing, I think. It smells just like it, like really strong, obviously, because this is a whole bottle of it. But it smells just like that ocean smell and breeze. It like smells like the ocean breeze. I do really like this one. Next scent is Banshee Flight. So on Flight of Passage, it's also like Soaring Around the World where they put out smells. It smells like the smell when you're like in that, like your banshee like sits down on that on that branch and you kind of just like sitting there and then all those like lights come up. It smells just like that. Wow. The last scent is Flying Over Orange Groves, which is the first thing I think of when I think of soaring is the smell of the fresh oranges, the Florida oranges. It smells just like it because it wasn't like, it doesn't smell like oranges, it smells like the meadow and the oranges on the ride. That's exactly what this smells like. Wow. It's so citrusy, but it's so good at the same time. I love my scents. The last thing in the box was just a receipt, but I'm going to share the pricing of what I got, which is also on their website. For the 4 oils, it was $27.95 plus shipping and tax. For the 8-ounce candle, it was $16.95 plus shipping and tax. Thank you so much for watching my video. I can't wait to use my new products. I would definitely order from Magic Candle Company again. Have a magical day!